Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has some charge and a quick backup. This protects contacts and photos. Once done, unlock the phone and open Settings, then tap General Management. This is where System resets live. You want to get straight to reset options, so scroll to Reset and pause. Double-check your Wi-Fi password and Samsung account credentials. This first step avoids stuck activation or lost logins later, and it primes you for the actionable network reset command coming next. You now tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. This removes Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth pairings, and cellular settings to clear conflicts. Once selected, read the summary so you understand which connections will be erased and why. This helps prevent surprise reconnections. Make sure you have your PIN or password ready because the phone will ask for it to confirm. When you tap Reset Settings, the process runs quickly. After reboot, your network stacks are restored to defaults, which often fixes connectivity errors. After the reset completes, you should immediately rejoin Wi-Fi and repair any Bluetooth devices so apps and accessories work again. If mobile data does not reconnect, make sure to toggle airplane mode on then off for about 10 seconds. This forces the radio to re-register with the network. If problems persist, restart the phone, check for carrier settings or system updates, and finally contact your carrier. Sometimes SIM provisioning needs a refresh. This one troubleshooting tip saves time when the reset alone doesn't fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.